A lot of people have been asking me, what are you growing for your fall garden? What are you planting? Well, I will plant probably some collards. I might plant a cabbage or two, maybe, but I typically don't actually plant a full fall garden. And the reason why I don't is because, number one, I have a long growing season. And because I direct sow, I'm behind most everyone else. A lot of people have just harvested their last peppers. My peppers are just now starting, okay? But it'll probably be until October before it's over with for me. And at that point, we'll be getting closer to winter. So I will have a few fall things, but my garden from summer and spring continues to grow through the fall. So what I plant things that I like and that I want to eat so that I can have them, and I will have those all the way through fall. That keeps me from actually needing to take up all my dead plants and replant. Now my tomatoes over here, as you can see, they're on their last leg, but then I have some right behind me that just got started right here, and they actually have some tomatoes on them. This is a cherry tomato plant. It's just getting started. So as that one ends, this one is getting started because I planted them at 2 different times. I have another tomato plant over here that I planted about the same time. This is a cherry tomato, and I think these are big boys or better boys, or they're big round slicing tomatoes. So to answer your question, I never ever really plant a full fall garden. I continue my summer gardening throughout the fall, and then I will still plant a few things this year. I think I haven't made that decision, but I'll be deciding. This is the last week in August, so I'll be deciding this week and next week if I'm going to drop some collard seeds this year. Every year is different for me. I go by what I'm feeling, I'm wanting to eat, how my body is responding to different foods and herbs and things, and that's what I tend to plant. I don't have a ritual that every year I have to plant this, except for peppers and tomatoes. So that's it for my fall garden. I'm Pam, this is Zone 8A, and anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant.